What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So this video is from probably about a week ago. Me and Adam went out to go do some bass fishing. I just got around to editing it, and before we get into the video, I just want to say we are getting close to 250 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway at 250, so if you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep a lookout for more information as that draws near. Now let's get into the video. That was a good cast right there. Take the old swim bait. See if she works. That's a good cast. Could be a little one up there hiding, or a big Bertha. You never know. I definitely felt a fish there. Oh, maybe it wasn't a fish. I don't know. I could have sworn it felt like a da-da-da-da. You know how like bluegill feel? Yeah, it felt like that.
Oh, you bird cast it.
Bird cast it. Hey, it's an every time thing. It's an everyday thing. If you don't bird cast, you're not a professional, dude. It's bird nest. If you don't bird nest, you're not a professional, dude. Like, it's a show of skill. Yeah, like you intentionally bird nest. It really shows people you know what you're doing. Yeah. Like for real. It works every time. Yeah. I got sponsors off of just bird nesting. Really? They love it so much.
They can make a product to keep bird nests out easily.
Yeah. There's one. Oh, he got off.
I see him flash. Doggone it, Paxton.
I mean, he could still be there. Nada. Dude, I was burning that through there. Oh, there he was. Do you have a jig? It wasn't.
I don't know if like the big ones are out.
There's a bass. It's not a big one, but yeah, it's a good sign.
Still the first bass.
First bass of the day, guys. Just a super tiny guy, but oh wow! Right when I freaking throw him back in, that's a bit of a better one.
There we go, guys.
Stuck. See a nice big bluegill. There's a nut. Second one. Again, not a huge one, but bass nonetheless. Oh, he's peeing.
Is he sperming all over?
I wonder if they're on beds. Okay, there we go. Second bass, guys. He's got some pretty colors on him, but not super big. Second bass, good sign. I'm half tempted to tie my jig onto my bait caster. We will be coming up on the trees right now. There's a fish up there. See it? Right up there. Don't you see those? Right by the bank. You missed it. There's one.
Big one?
Nah, not huge. Definitely a better one. I think it's the best one I've caught. Third one of the day, guys. It's still tiny, but Caught him a little deeper there on the swim bait. Oh no, yeah, I have one. A little bit better. No, he got off. I knew I didn't have a good hook set on him. Yeah, I was like, I don't know. It was kind of moving. I was like, I don't know about that. Perfect. Yeah, not much. Yep. One. Yeah. Oh.
He said, I'm not even fighting you.
Yeah. Came off in the boat. I think that's my 4th of the night. Definitely the biggest one, but not what we're after. Little bigger. There he goes. He's gonna jump. There's one. Yep, he's on.
A little bigger one?
I don't know. Nah, he's not big. He's fat. 5th fish. Not a big one, but he's got a little bit of a belly on him. Still trying to get on the big ones. Not quite.
I want this to be my job for the rest of my life. That is a big one right there, ain't it?
I don't know if it's big, but definitely one. Nah, it's not big.
There's your fish on GoPro.
Well, guys, sixth fish of the day. Not a little largy, but it could possibly be the last one. I want to try and catch a decent one. My GoPro's dying, so I don't know how much time I got left, but number 6, still not the big one we're after, but so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, getting close to 250 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe if you aren't already. It wasn't too bad of a day. Wasn't the greatest. We were trying to get on some bigger bass, but we just couldn't seem to find them. We did have a few decent ones bite, but they ended up getting off or swiping and missing at our baits. All in all, it wasn't a bad day. We went out, I think we caught about 18 to 20 fish in total. We were only out for a few hours, so definitely not a bad time. Didn't get on the fish that we wanted to get on, but again, can't complain. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!